I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own YouTube channel. This is where you can upload some of your screencast videos, or if you do record a Zoom lesson, you can upload it to your YouTube channel as well. This makes giving your students the links much easier because the YouTube links are really easy to post into Google Classroom. So when you go to youtube.com, you're going to look on the right, and there's going to be a circle just like you would see with any Google page, right? Now I'm already signed in. You would sign in your username, your Gmail, and I have done my Providence Schools one because my YouTube account has to do with all my school. It's not a personal account. It has to do with my school videos. So you want to make sure you're signed in, okay? Once you're signed in, it's really easy to upload a video. So there's this button right here that says, it looks like a camera with a plus symbol. It says create video and more. If you click on that, you have an option to upload a video. So you click upload video, and it's going to ask you to select a file. So if you create a Zoom lesson that you recorded and you saved it to your computer, or if you created a screencast, you'll be able to upload it automatically. But if I want to select a file, like say I recorded a Zoom lesson, I can go into my computer. Where am I? And I can click a Zoom video that I want to upload and create a YouTube link for. Now it's going to ask you for a title. So I'm going to title this as practice upload. Okay. It's going to ask you for a description. Not necessary, it's optional, but I would put a title. Usually I put like lesson 17 problem set, or whatever math problem set I'm working on, or like a how-to video. Don't worry about any of this down here. You just have to say whether it's made for kids, and if you're using it for school, then you would click yes, it's made for kids. That's all you have to do on that first page that's necessary. Then you're going to click next. It's going to say that it's going to upload, and the second step here, that will take a few minutes, so you can hit next. It says you can complete this step after has been processed, so just hit next. And this is the last step. I usually make it public. This allows me to post the link on my Google Classroom and all my kids can see it. If you do it private, it's harder for people to see it. You can't just copy and paste the link. I think you have to share it. So I always make it public, especially since it's like, it's just lessons and school things. So it's okay if everybody sees it. So after you click public, you're going to click publish. And now it says it's processing, and it says this happens typically. It will say 95% processed. So it's not 100% done yet. That's okay. You can hit close. And then up here, so these are all my previous videos that I've done. It automatically shows up. And it will say, this is the one that I was just doing, practice upload, right here. And it says 95% processed, it's pending. So I typically have to wait a few minutes, maximum 5 minutes I have to wait, and then it will be complete. So once it's fully uploaded, you'll see here, like the video kind of comes up clearly here, and it says public with the green eye. And so now your video is on your channel, and the easiest way to give this link to your kids is to click on the video. It will show up like this. You typically want to click on the video again so that you come to like the real page of it. And now this video is blank because this is for an upload, but you would copy and paste this link and just post it into Google Classroom. And that's how easy it is to have your own YouTube channel. Now, if you want to go back to see some of your other videos or all of the videos you've done, you're going to click your little face or your little circle name from Google, and you're going to go to your channel. If you click your channel, it'll bring you home. Your videos might show up in the home page, but if I click videos, here are all the videos that I've made. So I can always go back to them if I need to, and I often do, especially some of the how-to videos. When kids forget, I can just show them the video again. And again, you just click on your video, and
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you.
you copy the link and give it to your kids. It's that easy. So I hope you guys, again, this is just a basic version of creating a YouTube channel. It's not like super high tech in terms of settings and all that kind of stuff, but this is the basic stuff you need in terms of having this channel for like lessons that you want for your students. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys create your own YouTube channels. You can look for all my videos by searching Erin Norrie in YouTube.